Well, welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures. Well, as you can see, the promised land of the sole. So we're back on the sole tonight, so bit of a late start, to be fair. Bit of a family crisis at home. Can't believe it still, sort of thing, but our pet beagle has contracted meningitis of all things. But apparently in beagles it's not common, it's very, very rare, but they are more prone to it. So we're waiting on the vet's call this evening, so it is a late start, but fingers crossed, everything's looking good for Stephen. That's his name, Stephen Stephen Seagal. So yeah, it's all looking good for him, so that's good. But yeah, so another night on the sole, and what a night it is. It's absolutely glorious. Not even a breath of wind. Let's just hope I have a better trip than last week. Still, target achieved last week, so that's the main thing. But the tides are certainly better for the sole. Still early, like I say, but they're here. But not in any numbers yet, but they're here. It's absolutely glorious, so I really want to make the most of tonight if I can. There's one other boat just down tide of me. His name's Jerry. He's also from the dry stack, so he's having a go. He's just down there. Usual tactics tonight. So fingers crossed, might be able to find one or two, but one will be good because then it's target achieved. Lovely worms again from the lure lodge as always. Bit big, but to be fair, you still get plenty of small baits out of a large ragworm, so don't be scared to take large worms with you. You know, you're only talking sort of like inch long baits really for the sole, so that's an ideal tactic. Strip them down, you got more juices. Don't forget they're all small mouthed and everything, so you don't want massive baits, just tiny. Don't tip it off, just inch long bits of worm. Happy days, or small hooks. I'm getting the odd little fish or something jumping around me, which is probably bass or something like that. I won't bother trying for the mackerel. As I say, it was a bit of a late start, so I can certainly get the second rod down sooner rather than later. But yeah, what a glorious evening, isn't it? Eh? Can't be bad. So yeah, bring it on. Come on, fish. So I've just literally done the first cast, so no doubt I'll probably get the usual, dare I say, the shite fish come through first. But I don't know what time it is now. It must be almost 7 PM, something like that. So happy days, bring it on. Right, I shall keep you peeps informed, and hold on, let's just turn this. There we go, it's me. So yeah, so fingers crossed. Let's get these sole. Happy days. Bring it on, peeps. Well, that didn't take long. Both rods are going. Probably not what I'm after, but let's have a look. The other one's going crazy now, but let's have a look, see what's what. Keep on top of keep the fresh bait going down. That's what it's all about. As I'm only using small bits of bait, so there's nothing on this one, but the other one's still bouncing crazily. Yeah, just keep on top of the bait because there's so many small fish down there, they'll soon strip your bait, so you just gotta keep on top of it all. There you go, look at that, bouncing away, completely stripped. I just want to get this cast out there, check both rods, because there's another cruise ship coming through, so otherwise I'll have to wait a few minutes for that to go big because they're so go through because they're so big. So let's quickly get these down. Only small little bits of bait, like I've always said. Right, let's get this down quickly. Nice cast into the channel. Just stop it before it hits. Hopefully that's cleared the other one. Here comes that container ship. Here comes that cruise ship. It's a big one again. Come on, hurry up in it. So I'm casting in probably around 45 feet of water because it is low water. Tide is flooding in now, but right. Let's quickly get that one down and get the other one up and bait it up and back out, because the other one is certainly bouncing away. Set the drags like I always say. Happy days. Right, let's quickly get this one in because that's bouncing away. Yeah, it's definitely something on here, so that's good. Just tilt the camera a bit so you can see. Well, it's certainly heavier than bear hooks. Take it easy. There it goes, something swimming over there with it now. Up tide, here, there and everywhere. Hey, what we got? Smooth-hound, one of those little tiny ones, and a pout. That's good. Look at him, beautiful fish, aren't they? Right, let's quickly unhook them and get back out before the cruise ship comes through. Look at that, beautiful little smooth-hound. Oh well, 2 species and 1 drop. Right, let's quickly get this out. I might just have to let this go through because that is literally where I'm casting. Come on, hurry up and get past. Happy days, right, I'll keep you informed. Well, lots of bits and pieces tonight so far. Smooth-hounds and pout. I think I might have the same on here. Thing is with the sole, you know, because it stays deep under the rod tip, and but something on it, 100%. There we go. Slightly bigger smooth-hound, fractionally. Oh well, that's cool. What we got on here? Something bouncing around. Probably not what I want, and I don't think it is. A tangle, a smooth-hound and a pout. Happy days. Size that pout. Well, no sole, but I've had quite a few little smooth-hounds, loads of little pout. Here we go. Oh, this could be what we're after. I'm not sure. It's staying deep. It's staying very, very deep, and it's getting heavier. This is quite a good sign. I'm not saying it is. Now that's gone really heavy. See how the old tip's really bending over? There's quite a bit of weight there. Let's have a look. Come on. Now this is very similar to a sole, but I don't want to speak too soon. staying directly under the rod tip. And there it is, typical sole. Yeehaw! Bring it on, sole, here we go. Well swallowed. Jerry! Yep. Tickety boo! Oh, pressure's off now. Look at that in the sunlight. Beautiful, sizable, but I won't keep him. Yeah, well happy with that. Just hope I got it on the film. Film okay, so there we go. Get a couple of pictures in a minute. Sole on. Well, I don't think this is a sole, but there's something here. Well, it could be. Is it? No, it's not getting heavier like a normal one. What we got is that. It's one of the fish. Smooth-hound. One of many tonight. Happy days. Oh, this is quite heavy. Probably a doggy or something. This is very heavy. But then the last time I wound in, I must admit, I did have a hook missing, so you never know, I might have a spider or something on. I've had them up here before, so. Just take my time. No rush. It's certainly heavy, or a lump of weed, but it did. I've had a few rattles on this rod, so you never know. Ah, it's starting to spin. Ray? Could be. Thornback. Look at that. Beautiful little thing. Little tiny thornback. I've had some good rays up here, good undulates a few years ago. Little tiny thornback. Oh, you little bugger. Just bit my finger. There we go. Nice. Happy days. Oh well. Come on, Sol, where are you? Like I just said, not only sole up here, bass, pout. Look at that, little tiny thornback. Perfect. Miniature. Beautiful. They are cute, aren't they? Anyway, just getting back. Come on, what we got? It's quite heavy. Gave a couple of good rattles, but not sure what it is yet. It's getting very heavy now. Oh, oh, oh. What the fuck is that? Jesus Christ. That is going mental. This is, what the hell is this? Well, that's don't know what the hell that is. Leaders up. That was weird. Smooth-hound. Well, better than the other ones, I suppose. That certainly woke up, and I caught the other line, but that don't matter. Oh. Oh, on a size 4. And a bit of a tangle on the other rod, but there you go. Ain't weird how that just came in so docile and then at the last minute. Not what I want, but it was an interesting fight. Put him back. Gone. Right, let's see what other tangle I've got now. I've got to get out of. Nothing worse when you get a tangle with line and braid. Oh well. Get the untangled and let's get back out there again. Happy days. Well, that was interesting. That was a nice screaming ratchet run I just had then. I got that out of the tangle and suddenly it just went absolutely ballistic. And yet, well, I just got that one out of a tangle and good God, did that scream off. It's on, whatever it is. Absolutely tore off. Don't know if it's another smooth-hound, but feeling rather heavier than. It's okay, ain't a silver reel. Trust me, you get some big silver reels around here, but don't know. It's tilt you forward a bit. It's a swimming. Oh. Oh, it's coming up to the surface, I think. It ain't a sole. Does it come off? No, it ain't come off. Something there. Another ray. Oh, that. Set that drag a little bit there, I think. There it is. Oh, it's run the lead up the leader. So what we got? Oh, nice bass. Yeah, that is a nice bass. Now, if it comes off, it comes off, but I can't keep it because it's in the nursery area. So, oh, it don't bother me. Yeah, it's a nice bass. Yeah, very nice bass. Can't complain at that. It's probably 3.5. Will it stale? Will it stale? Yes, there we go. Here we go. That's a better fish. About £3. Yeah, very nice. Take some pictures of that and show you in a minute. Happy days. Well, a bit quieter, but it's still early doors. It's only just going into dusk now. So, into dusk. Sorry, just getting into darkness now. So, still only the one sole. That don't matter. I'm happy with that. There's a little bit of weed that came through earlier, but I think that seems to have disappeared now. Clean hooks. Now that's only been out about 15-20 minutes. So I'll probably give it about another hour and a half. There you go, look at that, hook's gone again. There's definitely some crabs out there this evening, so I'm just going to put another hook on and get it back out. I'll have a check with this one, so fingers crossed on that one. Just had a nice run on this one. Very nice run. There it is, there it is. Oh, it's time to drag. Something's on it. Absolutely screamed the ratchet off then. Have a bass maybe. Oh, there it goes, there it goes, go on. Bass or smooth-hound. That did really hit it hard. Let's just tilt that so you can see it a bit better. Hopefully you can see this. There it goes. Go on, man. Remember, I've only got the size 4 and the size 6 hooks on it. Oh, there we go. Go on. Swimming in well with me. Don't know what it can be. Not what we're after, but now it's staying deep. Come on. Oh, look at that. Make sure that drag's set loose. Yeah. Now it's gone right under the tip now. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. There's the leader. What we got? Smooth-hound. We've got a schmunter. Happy days, another one. Oh. Oh, just having another check on this one now after that smooth-hound. Looks like I've got some, might be some weed. Can't feel anything. Feels heavy. Let's have a look. Felt anything really convincing. Saying that, it's getting heavier. Mind you, the wash of the boat's just gone through. Getting heavier. Weed on the leader. Weed. And the tiniest pout. Still. Oh, it's just come off. Happy days. Right, let's get it back out there. Well, I think that'll just about do me. Haven't seen any rattles on these, but you never know. Don't always show it. Right. Wind in for the last time and see what's what. There's nothing on this one. Enjoyable evening, quite a few fish, albeit all pretty much all small. A bit of weed just gone down, I felt that. Yeah, the weed has picked up a little bit in the last hour, but luckily it's only surface or mid-water weed, so not too bad. No. Right. I'll do that. Let's do the other one for you. Let's see what's what. This is quite heavy from the onset, so you never know on this one. weed on there, I think. Certainly heavy, but or it's one of those crabs. Got a lump of weed on there, I think. Nothing there, no kick or anything. Weed. Big old lump of weed. So the weed has picked up, so I am packing up just at the right time. Well, yeah, can't complain. Target achieved. One sole there, 8 to 10 ounces. 3-pound bass. Thornback. Couple of bigger smooth-hounds, so to speak. 2.5, 3 pounds. Loads of little smooth-hounds, pout. So yeah, variety tonight. Can't complain, but roll on this week and get to the weekend again. So, well. And then we'll try again. But no, thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying everything. If you can like and subscribe, that'll be great, because there'll be plenty more videos coming up soon. Thanks for watching.